You ready to go on a hike?
Yeah.
You want to go see a waterfall?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Nice parking area and a little bit of information before we head up Angel's Rest Trailhead to our first waterfall of the day. Angel's Rest Trail. Headed to Coopey Falls. A little snow on the ground. There's so many trees, huh? There's a bunch of sticks. This trail initially starts off with a bit of elevation. Pretty easy trail. I would consider this a very mild hike. Well maintained. Beautiful trees covered in moss. Very pretty. But let's get to a waterfall. Right, baby? A beautiful little rock slide with moss everywhere. And then you have this view. We're not far. There's a convent right down there, and the falls are above the convent. Coopey Falls is where we're headed. I believe that's how you say it. Here the trail gets a little tricky. A lot more trip hazards as far as rocks, but still not bad. Right, baby? Not bad?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Okay.
Whoa.
This beautiful haze just rolled in. It's pretty? Once you get to the falls, the lower falls, the top of the lower falls, it mellows out, and it's a little muddy because of the rain, but really quite an easy little hike here. I'm surprised more people don't talk about this area.
Daddy?
What?
No, it's not.
Can you wait till we get to the car?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. We're about to hit the upper part.
Ow.
Let's take this detour and get a look at the falls from this vantage point. Now to get to this vantage point, you do have to come up this, or I should say you come down this, and to get back to the trail you got to go up this. To get to this point, it's about a mile from the parking lot, I'd say. I still would call this a mild hike. A bit of elevation gain, some trip hazards, but nothing too crazy. I think in the summertime, it's probably an easy hike without the mud and snow in the way. I honestly am really surprised more people don't talk about this place. It's beautiful and not that far away from the other gorge attractions. The road to come here is a little muddy, but these rocks make the grip pretty good, so you don't really need an all-wheel drive or high clearance vehicle to get out here. It's not too bad, but it might make it a little easier. We're headed that way. Dry Creek Falls. Now when you start this trail, make sure you go straight, because you can go up this way, but that actually doesn't take you to Dry Creek. We are headed down this darker, eerier looking path. This trail is not very difficult. It is a bit uphill, so there is some elevation to deal with, but really no trip hazards or slippery conditions or issues to watch out for. Pretty straightforward little hike. We'll see if the waterfall at the end is worth the effort. It is a beautiful creek walk along Dry Creek. The sounds are really nice. The views are incredible. Trees with moss dripping off them. Really cool. Pleasant walk. Very easy. You think this is easy hike, baby?
No.
It's easy?
Yeah, this does easy.
Oh, okay. It's not hard?
Yeah, it's not hard.
Oh. Well, it's not hard for you because you're getting carried the whole way, huh?
Yeah. That is funny.
Oh, look at this. Look at the water. Beautiful overhang underneath that snow. And it continues upstream. Really cool. Pacific Crest Trail, Cascade Locks, and Dry Creek Falls. The reason we came Dry Creek this way. And at about 600 feet of elevation, the path is turned to snow covered. And there's probably about 2 or 3 inches of snow on the ground that you're having to tread through. And it's uphill now, so definitely making this hike a little more challenging as far as cardio goes. Still pretty straightforward. After making it up a ways to the waterfall, snow starts to dissipate and the trail is almost free of snow, really, and the waterfall right in the distance. Also met with this beautiful rock face and cliffs. Incredible sound. What a view. Unreal. Insane looking. Now, further back that way, there are more waterfalls. And this summer, I plan on going back there and showing you. In this snow, in these conditions, and that water flow that high, not a good idea right now, but I'll definitely show you what's back there once it warms up.